everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today is dyno day number 2. So if y'all haven't seen my other video, I'll link it up here. Then I had a or up here, one of these corners. But I had a dyno put down 332 torque, 332 horsepower, 319 pound-feet of torque. So today, over here at CES Motorsports, which used to be the home of Euro Empire, but they just got a new shop, which is right next door. So came over here to get the dyno done. Shout out to John at CES Motorsports. He's doing some crazy things with the N54 engine twin turbo kits. Man, y'all go follow him on Instagram. Go support. If you got know anybody need an N54 turbo kit, John's the man to holler at. All right. So I mean, he actually also just picked up this Super right here, and it is mean, man. It is super mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and go up in here, grab this dyno footage, and see what numbers we're putting down. All right. That's not bad.
That's it right there. So what was she making before?
All right, everybody. So just got finished with the dyno back at the house, back at the crib. So just want to go over the final numbers from the 3 dyno runs that I did. So first of all, I want to give a special shout out to John over at CES Motorsports for doing a dyno for me today. You know, me and him had a lot of great conversations. He was talking about his super project that he's been working on, as well as his N54 turbo kits he's been working on. Man, very good dude, real down to earth, real chill, man. So y'all go support him, CES Motorsports. Go follow his Instagram. Go follow the builds that he's got. He's got some real nasty stuff cooking up. So if you like horsepower, you like gains, he's the guy to talk to, the guy to follow. And also special shout out, of course, always to Euro Empire. You know, the shop that I trust, you know. So just shout out to Matt and the crew over at Euro Empire. So let's get down to business. Let's talk about these numbers that I put down today. So to go over my mods again, in case you don't know, I have the Stage 2 Turner Motorsports tune. I have FTP charge pipe and boost pipe. I have the Turner Motorsports intercooler and the CTS turbo intake. And that's it. Don't have the downpipe. I do have the M Performance exhaust, but that's it. So no downpipe yet. That's gonna be stage 3. So when I hit stage 3, then you know I'll be considered full boat on. But this is more of like a stage for like boot mode and stuff like that. This is more like a stage 1 with the addition with like an intercooler map add-on or something like that. It would be equivalent power. So looking at my power that I put down today, y'all ready? So power that I put down today, I was able to put on my best of 3 runs was 358 horsepower and 402 pound-feet of torque. So I was happy with those numbers. I mean, the car, I already knew it pulled hard just from me driving it around and you know, feeling the difference in power and the way the car pulls. I knew it was producing some pretty good power. I didn't know I was gonna hit 400 torque. I thought I'd be close, but 400 torque was a very, very good number to hit, and 358 horsepower. I mean, that's a lot. And like I said, I still got the stock downpipe on. So once I, you know, change out the downpipe, do stage 3 with Turner, man, I think I should definitely be able to hit that 400 wheel horsepower mark. And that's kind of been my goal with this car. So special shout out to Turner and their software and their tune there. One thing I will say too, going through the tune going through the dyno process with John. He was looking at the air fuel ratios. He commented lots of times on how smooth the air fuel ratios were and how consistent they were. So that's just good engineering, good R&D. So that's all on Turner Motorsports right there. So thank you for, you know, helping me out through this whole process with this tune, man. So car still running smooth, car still running great, and I have no issues, man, no complaints. So definitely if you're interested in the tune, definitely I have a link down below that shows you all the stuff that I got from them so far, and then definitely you can contact anybody at Turner Motorsports and they'll definitely talk you through the process if you're interested. So that's it, man. I just want to give y'all an update, just want to let you know where my power's at right now. So, you know, I mean, the journey continues, the build continues, so we ain't done. I still got some more stuff coming, so bear with me. It's gonna take some time, you know, but we're gonna get there. All right, so that's all I have to say, man. Hey, man, that's it. So I'll let y'all later. Peace.